Ever made a mistake and wished you could rewind? With GitHub, you almost can today. We'll explore how to revert to a previous project version using Git commands, letting you undo changes and correct coding errors. The core concept is version control. Significant changes are saved as commits, forming a project history. To revert, you navigate this timeline to a past version. Let's get practical. Open your terminal or command line, then cd into your GitHub repository's local directory to interact with it directly. Know which commit to restore. Go to your online GitHub repository and click on commits. Each commit has a unique ID. Note the commit message for context. Now, in your terminal, use the Git Revert command with the commit ID. This creates a new commit that undoes the specified commit's changes, preserving your project's history. After running Revert, you'll likely edit the commit message for clarity of what's been reversed. Commit and push these changes to your remote repository with Git push. Successfully reverted your project, useful for fixing errors or rolling back modifications. Now, you have a safety net. Clear version control lets you manage your project confidently.